说文解字记汉字。Hello, welcome to Mandarin with Yan Yan. In this series of videos, I'll break up the patterns of Mandarin characters for you and help you build up characters and vocabularies. In last video of this series, I talked about a character, 囚. It's a person in an enclosure. It means in prison, being captive. In today's video, let's talk about the characters with 人 as radical. This is the article bone script for the character 人. It looks like a human having just evolved from the apes. This is how it's written today. Two strokes supporting each other. Without each other, both strokes would collapse. There's a saying in Mandarin, 人字的结构就是互相支撑. As human beings, we should support each other. Now let's take a look at this character. Two persons, one following the other. What does it mean? It means follow. 从 从 跟从 follow， 人们不会跟从那些没有方向感的领导。随从 it's a noun, it means entourage， 总统的随从 the president's entourage. The meaning of following then was extended to comply with, 顺从 依从 听从 从 can also mean secondary, 从犯 accessory criminal, the one who followed the main criminal. 从 also has other meanings that are not very close to its original meaning of following. Be engaged in, 从事教育工作。从政 go into politics. 从 can also mean from. 我从中国来 I'm from China. 从此 from now on. How about this character? Three persons. What does it mean? It means a lot, multitude. 众 之 on 众 In the very beginning, this character was written as three persons below the sun. Gradually, the sun was erased and it became what it is now. 众多 a lot. 在众多的方案中，我选择了 A 公司的方案。群众 That's one way to say people in Mandarin. 群众的眼睛是雪亮的。When 人 is a radical, especially when it's on the left side of a character, usually it's written like this. Let's take a look at this character. On the left side is a person. On the right side is 五. It means five. Five persons. What does this character mean? In ancient times, 5 soldiers made smallest unit in an army. So this character means army. 五 入伍 join the army. Another way to say it is 参军 their equivalent. 队伍 troops, army. In some cases, it can also mean team. This is a Chinese 5-yuan bill. On the bill, it has the character 五. It means 5 here, and it's only used on the 5-yuan bill. this character on the left side is a person. On the right side is 10. 10. What does it mean? In early ancient times, 10 person made the smallest unit in a community. They guarantee each other, which means one violates the rule, all 10 gets punished. Well, it was more than 2,000 years ago. And gradually, this character means 10 persons. But now, it's mostly used in 什么? 什么? What? What is this? 这是什么? It's away from its original meaning and pronunciation. This character is also used in translation of foreign names. George W. Bush, Bush, 不时, Nash, 那时. On the left side is a person. On the right side is 百, 100. What does this character mean? Right, it used to mean 100 persons, but it's not used anymore. Now it's only on the Chinese 100 yuan bill. 百, it means 100 here. 百, 波矮百, 百. On the left side is a person. On the right side is 火, fire. What does this character mean? In ancient times in the army, 10 soldiers share a stove and they eat together. This character means partner. 火, 和我火, 火. 伙伴 buddy. In the Ballad of Mulan, Mulan came back home from the battlefield and changed back to girl's clothes. 出门看伙伴，伙伴皆惊忙，同行12年，不知木兰是女郎。She goes out the door and sees her comrades. Her comrades are all amazed and perplexed. Traveling together for 12 years, they didn't know Mulan was a girl. In this poem, 伙伴 used the 火 without 人 as radical. This poem was composed between 4th to 7th century. Today, for 伙伴, we use the 火 with 人 as radical. 合伙人 partner. 合伙企业 partnership. It is a kind of business entity. Many characters with 人 as radical are actions of human. Let me break up this character for you. On the top are 2 persons. On the bottom is 土, which means earth. 2 persons sitting on earth. It means sit. 坐, 姿卧坐, 坐, sit. On the left side is a person. On the right side is 木, wood, which represents a tree. A person is leaning against a tree. What is he doing? He is taking a rest. 修, 西优修, 修, taking a rest. 休息 take a rest. 休假 take a vacation. On the left side is a person. On the right side is 戈, an axe. It's an ancient weapon. A person is holding a weapon. What is he doing? He is attacking. 法 for 法 法 套 讨伐 attack 在冰天雪地的1月，讨伐商纣王的军队出发了。Because this person is holding an axe, he could also be cutting the timber. 伐木 On the left side is a person. On the right side is 立 standing. The place where a person is standing, what's that? It's his position. 位 位 Actually, in the very beginning, this character depicts the scene of an official standing in the imperial court, and that implied the rank of the official. So the character means rank. 地位某某人有很高的社会地位。职位 Then gradually this character had the meaning of general position. 位置座位 seat. On the top is a person. On the bottom is 指 which represent toes. A person is standing on his tiptoe. What is he doing? He is expecting something or someone. 起 期盼 Another popular word with this character is 企业 and this word has nothing to do with the original meaning of 企. It was from Japanese. On the left side is a person. On the right side is 山 a mountain. A person hidden in a mountain. It doesn't mean a wild man. In Taoism, an immortal super being is always hidden in a mountain. 仙 西烟仙 Lao Tzu was one of the founders of Taoism. After writing the Tao Te Ching at Hangu Pass, he exited the pass riding an ox. Then he disappeared. Many people believed he went to a mountain and became a 仙人. Ever since, many people believe in order to become an immortal super being, he had to practice the Taoism in a mountain. 神仙 deity. Alright, let's have a quick review of what we learned in today's video. We learned the 12 characters with 人 as radical. 双人从 a person is following another person. 三人众 many people are under the sun. 五十百 were units of people in ancient times. But these 3 characters are rarely used with their original meanings. 五 and 百 are on the Chinese bills. 五 mostly means army now. 十 is used in 什么 火 10 people in the army shared a stove. They eat together and were partners, buddies. 位 The place where a person is standing is his position. The next group are actions of human. 坐 2 people sitting on earth. 休 a person leaning on a tree to take a rest. 伐 a person holding a weapon and is attacking. 起 a person standing on tiptoe and is expecting someone. Finally, 仙 a person hidden in a mountain. 神仙 deity. Thanks for watching the video. I'm Yan Yan. I'll see you next time.